Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to set up Webhook inside LeadGen app. So LeadGen app is an online tool that helps businesses create custom lead generation forms to collect information from potential customers. People use it because it makes designing forms quick and easy without needing any coding skills. The forms can be embedded on the websites or landing pages to capture leads efficiently. LeadGen app is popular because it helps business grow their contact list and improve conversions by gathering valuable data from their audience, making follow-ups and sales easier. So here in this video, we are going to learn that how you can connect the LeadGen app with an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus, it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So now we are going to build a connection between this LeadGen app and Pabbly Connect in order to receive the information from LeadGen app to Pabbly Connect. So here to build this connection, we are going to use a type of integration that is Webhook. So here Webhook is going to act as a bridge between LeadGen app and Pabbly Connect in order to send the information from LeadGen app to Pabbly Connect on a specific event. Or you can say that webhooks are like instant messengers. So now here let's move forward with this connection. But here, before moving forward with this connection, here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our connection by simply setting up a trigger. So here in our trigger step, we are going to select our trigger application as LeadGen app. So I'm going to select it. And now here, after selecting my trigger application, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead. So that whenever we are going to receive new lead through the form that I have created using LeadGen app, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say that whenever we are going to receive new lead through the form that I have created using LeadGen app, then automatically this entire workflow is going to be triggered. So here let's suppose that I'm an owner of a business, and here to receive the leads for my business, I have created a lead form using LeadGen app. So here in this case, I want that whenever I'm going to receive a new form submission through my form which I've created using LeadGen app, then automatically that new lead detail should be added in my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that, I need to build a connection between my LeadGen app and Google Sheets. So for that, firstly, I need to connect my LeadGen app with Pabbly Connect. So here, after selecting my trigger event, you can see I have received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my LeadGen app with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, firstly here I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my LeadGen application. So here you can see the dashboard of my LeadGen app, and from here I'm going to select forms, which is given in the left side bar. And here under forms you can see the form that I have created with the name credit application form. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open this form given over here, and from here I'm going to select integrations. Now here under integrations you can see my previously created integration, and now here I'm going to create a new integration by clicking on this add integration button given over here. And now here to select the connection, I'm going to select my type of integration as webhooks over here, and then here it is asking me to enter the webhook title. So I'm going to give the webhook title as new lead, and then here it is asking me for the webhook URL. So I need to enter the webhook URL that I have received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is my webhook URL. So moving forward, and then here for the webhook method, I'm going to select the method as post. Moving forward, and here these fields are not a required field, so here I'm going to leave them blank, and then I'm going to click on this create webhook button given over here. And here you can see we have successfully created a new webhook with the name new lead and the method as post. So with this, we have successfully set up a webhook inside our LeadGen app, and we have successfully built a connection between our LeadGen app and Pabbly Connect. So now here in our Pabbly's workflow, you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a new lead through a form which I've created using LeadGen app. So for that, let me take you back to my form. So this is the form that I've created using LeadGen app, and here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as user. Then I'm going to click on this continue, and then here for the email, I'm going to enter the email as test@pablytudes.com. And here for the phone number, I'm going to enter some random phone number. And now here after entering email and the phone number, I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see we have successfully submitted a form over here. So now let's go back to our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have successfully received a response over here where we have received the meta source URL, meta reference number, scrolling little down. Here you can see the meta IP. Here you can see the meta browser. And here you can see the phone number, email, last name and the first name of the lead that we have received through the form submission. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So with this, we have successfully learned that how you can set up a webhook inside LeadGen app. And once we have set up this connection, then whenever we are going to receive a new lead through our form which I have created using LeadGen app, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. And after receiving the response over here, you can further transfer that response to any other application by simply connecting the application with Pabbly Connect in this action step given below. Okay, so these were the steps to how to set up a webhook inside LeadGen app. I hope all these steps were clear to you. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.